Here is the continued voiceover script. Imagine having all your documents, receipts, and photos organized in just seconds, without the hassle of tedious filing. That's exactly what you get with the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless, or the most advanced scanner on the market today. With its massive 8-inch touchscreen, this powerhouse of a scanner lets you quickly customize profiles to suit your needs. Share files with anyone, whether it's your team at work or friends and family, all from the comfort of your own space. And with Quick Menu, you can seamlessly drag and drop scans into your favorite apps, no more tedious file management. But what really sets this scanner apart is its lightning-fast 45 ppm double-sided scanning capabilities. That means you can scan entire stacks of documents in record time, without the need for a computer or any other equipment. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6 connectivity and automatic optimizations, you can ensure that every scan is crisp, clear, and error-free. And let's not forget about paper jams and damage, those pesky problems that can slow you down so much. Not on this scanner. The ScanSnap iX2500 wireless features a state-of-the-art brake roller system, multi-feed sensor, and skew detection to prevent all sorts of issues from cropping up. You'll be scanning like a pro in no time. Last but not least, the scanner's design is as sleek as it is functional. With its premium materials and robust construction, it's built to last, and looks great doing it too. A high-capacity document feeder can hold up to 100 sheets, and with USB-C and Wi-Fi connectivity, you can put this scanner wherever you need it most. But what really gets our hearts racing is the scanner's ability to scan in a variety of formats. You can scan documents, receipts, photos, and even invoices, all at the same time. The ScanSnap iX2500 wireless features advanced OCR, optical character recognition, technology that lets you extract text from your scans in seconds. No more tedious manual data entry. And let's talk about security. With the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless, you can rest assured that your sensitive documents are safe and secure. The scanner features end-to-end encryption, secure file sharing, and access controls to ensure only authorized users can view and edit your files. You can even set up custom permissions and user groups to suit your specific needs. But how does it perform in real-world use? We put the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless through its paces, scanning stacks of documents, receipts, and photos from all angles, and the results were astounding. The scanner's precision and speed left us breathless. And with its compact design, we could easily take it on the go, making it perfect for busy professionals who need to stay organized on the move. Another highlight of this amazing scanner is its compatibility with a wide range of software applications. Whether you're using Microsoft Office, Adobe Acrobat, or even Google Drive, the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless integrates seamlessly into your workflow. No more fussing with different software versions, just scan and share. The scanner's document feeder can handle paper sizes up to a 3+, and its high-precision scanning technology ensures that every page is scanned accurately. You can even scan both sides of a page in one pass, saving you time and effort. But what really sets the scanner apart from the competition is its innovative features like ScanSnap Connect, which allows you to create custom profiles for different types of documents. And with its advanced paper handling capabilities, you can scan documents with complex layouts and folds, no problem. So what does owning the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless change about your day? It's not just about getting more work done, it's about having that extra time to focus on the things that matter. With this scanner, you'll be able to scan, organize, and share files faster than ever before, giving you the freedom to pursue your passions with renewed energy and enthusiasm. Imagine being able to spend less time sorting through paperwork and more time on high-priority tasks. Imagine having access to all your important documents in just seconds, whenever, wherever you need them. That's what the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless can offer you. And with its unparalleled speed, precision, and features, it's no wonder this scanner is already changing lives. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to unleash your workspace's full potential with the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless, or click that link below to get started today.